Now, to go on, for us to understand better, we're trying to look at some tips that is very essential for our understanding about this geometry. We have what we call alternate angle, corresponding angle, and vertical opposite angles. These three concepts will be well understood. The first one, which is alternate angle. If you have a right angle triangle, like this, and we have a line like this. This angle theta, let me call it A. We have A, B, C, D, and E. This A, I call it A1, is set to alternate to this angle A2. This A1 is said to be what? To alternate to what? To this A2. So this angle is alternate to this angle. Also, we have two straight lines. We have two straight lines, and we have a line that crosses the two. In this case, if you look at this case, this angle here, the angle that is formed here, is said to be what? Alternate to the what? To this angle that is here. That is A1. If this is A1 and this is A2. Meaning that what? A1 is equal to what? A2. And why? Because what? They are what? Corresponding. They are what? Sorry. They are alternate. They are alternate angles. They are what? Alternate angles. And that's what we know as what? Alternate angles. I believe you understand that concept. Now, aside from this, if you understand this, now let's look at corresponding angle. What are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles, if you have two lines, straight lines, and we have two lines that crosses this down. Okay? Now, if this angle happen to be what? Angle A, is said to be corresponding to the what? To this angle, and I call it angle A2. Similarly, if you have a triangle drawn like this, okay? If you have a triangle drawn like this, A, B, C, D, E, okay? This angle, which is what? I call it B1, okay? And I call this angle here, I call it what? B2. Sorry, B2. Why do I call it B2? Because B1 is what? Corresponding to what? To B2. Okay? B1 is corresponding to B2, and corresponding angles are said to be what? To be equal. Therefore, B1 is equal to what? B2. Also from here, A1 is equal to what? A2. They are said to be what? Corresponding angles. They are said to be what? Corresponding angles. I believe you understand that. Then the vertical opposite angles. When talking about vertical opposite angle, this we can observe when we have angle like this. Okay? This angle is directly opposite to this angle. So A1, this is A2. This angle is directly opposite to what? To this. So I call it what? B1, B2. So therefore, A1 is equal to A2 and B1 is equal to what? B2. And these are what? Are said to be what? Why? The reason is because they are vertical opposite angle, and vertical opposite angle are said to be equal to each other. So take note, alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal, and vertical opposite angles are equal to each other.